Hello YouTube, PokeWrench back again with another video, and we've got a bit of a treat for you today. We've got 4 Flashfire booster packs to open, and we've got 3 Japanese packs. This one on the end, I believe it's a Shining Legends. We've then got the CP6, which is the Evolutions, the Japanese Evolutions version, and then a base set Japanese booster pack. Now the price of these has really started to creep up, so it's a big opening, and hopefully we find something nice inside. So let's just, these are out of my own collection, so I've got them all individually sealed. I'll just pop them all out now. I think I've said in a previous video, but people have asked me before how I store my booster packs, and it's like this. It's a card saver with a PSA perfect fit sleeve. Keeps them nice and tidy, prevents them from getting bent. So we'll do the Flashfire first. We'll take the Shining Legends out of this pack as well, just so you can all see there. So let's do the Flashfire first. Believe the pack trick is 3 from the back. Make sure. Should have a code card for you. Let's do it the right way around, that helps. And then 3 from the back. There's a bit of a nick on that card. They're not the best cut. Let's have a see what we get. We've got Palpad, Celio, Magnetic Storm, Skrelp, Gume, Litleo, Scraggy, Spheal, Litleo Reverse, and a Luxray is the rare. Yeah, so we did the pack trick right at least. Not gonna lie, with looking at the back of these cards, kinda glad I didn't pull anything amazing there. Look at the state of those. Wow. If we pull anything nice, let's hope it comes from a pack that's been cut a little bit better. Let's see, code card first. Wrong way around again. Let me know if you get anything nice with the code cards. These ones look a little bit better cut, but still not perfect. We've got Roserade, Lysandra, am I saying that right? Celio, Pineco, Scraggy again, Shinx, Skrelp, Seedot, Scraggy Reverse, and a Quillfish. Non-hollow rare. So off to a bad start with these. Can't really complain. The openings I've done so far, I've been quite fortunate with the pulls. I'm due a bad run at some point. Luxio, Startling Megaphone, Pidgeotto, Pidgey, Feebas, Fletchling, Geodude, Stunky, Pyro is the reverse, and a Scrafty. Non-hollow rare. Oh, well, this makes up for that Sword and Shield ETB that I opened a few videos back. Let's have a little look. Hopefully some last pack magic on the Flashfire. Pokemon Center Lady, Dusclops, Nuzleaf, Roselia, Gume, Caterpie, Geodude, Helioptile, Lopunny is the reverse, and the final card from the Flashfire packs, Barbaracle. Well, that was terrible. Just a load of bulk. If anyone's trying to complete this set and needs any of these cards, give me a shout, you can have them. It's not a set I'm aiming to complete, so I don't need them. Happy to give them away, as long as you're subscribed, of course. That's got to be the only prerequisite. So this is, I believe, the Shining Legends pack, when I can get into it. Should have got some scissors, it's taking some effort. So I don't know if there's a pack trick. I know a lot of the Japanese packs have the rare card on the front, but we're just going to go through these as they are. That's a Totodile. Ooh, nice looking Pikachu. Absolutely no idea what that one is. Feel free to comment and let me know. Or that one. And the final. Not sure on that one either. But we've pulled a nice holographic. Oh no, wait. One more card. Only felt like there was one there. That's not a bad pull, really, is it? I'm going to pop that in a sleeve. Certainly a lot better than what we got in the Flashfire packs. Right, so we'll do the CP6 pack first, and we'll finish on the base set pack. You know what, I might get some scissors. Can't turn to it this way. Might be easier. Before I damage all of the cards. That's better. Again, pack trick, not sure. We're just going to jump straight into it. Sandshrew, Porygon, Magnemite, Staryu, Growlithe, Drowsy, Dragonite EX. What a beautiful pull. Wow. And a Mewtwo Holo. And then Arcanine and Raticate. Wow. That's definitely lifted the video a little bit. Let me get these into sleeves. Got this Dragonite. I pulled it from one of the previous openings in English, so that'll look nice next to that one. Great. So let's pop these at the back. Move this guy to the side a little bit. And now we're on to the big one. Japanese base set booster pack. So I believe the holographic will be at the front. So we'll remove that one. Just give this a cut. I don't want to damage the cards. I'm not really too fussed over the pack art. I'm sure it's at the front. So we'll just remove that. I'm going to pop it in a sleeve. Watch me, I've got this completely wrong and make myself look a bit of a fool. Right. Well, that one's definitely not the rare. I've got a Doduo, Vulpix, Trainer, another Trainer, Poliwag, Raticate, Weedle, Nidoran, and a Poliwhirl. So we did the pack trick right. So the rare is, fingers crossed for a holo. It looks in great shape as well, so What? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! We've pulled the Charizard! Ooh! Oh, I'm shaking. Oh my god! I can't believe it! We've actually pulled the Charizard. And that looks incredible. Oh wow. Swirl just above the wing up here. It's more of an S than a swirl, but then again, a tiny little swirl just here as well. Oh my, wow, that looks in incredible shape. See, I'm shaking, I can't keep steady. I am actually shaking. I mean, that, if ever there's a PSA 10 candidate, I can't get into the sleeve because I'm shaking so much. Wow, oh my goodness. You can see my left hand just shaking, I can't keep steady. I need to get this into a top loader before I end up damaging it from shaking. Bear with me a second, guys. Whew. Alright, I can try and relax now. That is just, wow, unbelievable. I'm kind of speechless. Couldn't have actually wished for a better pull. That is just, well, forget about all of the flash fire packs and how terrible they were. So, recap. It's a quick recap because there weren't many. From the Shining Legends pack, we got the Mewtwo and the Dragonite EX from the Japanese Evolutions pack. And then, I've not said it enough already, we've just pulled the Charizard from the Japanese base set pack. And this, look at the swirl there at the wing, you can see it now. This will be getting graded, absolutely. I'm sending off some more cards for grading in a probably not for a month or so. I've got some cards on the way back that I'll be doing a video to showcase. But yeah, this one will definitely get added to the pile. Right, that's it for me, guys. Please like the video if you do like it. Surely you do. Subscribe if you haven't already. Please do go back and check out some of my other videos. I've had some serious luck on this channel so far. If you go and check out the Team Rocket first edition pack opening, in there's a Sword and Shield Elite Trainer box where I had an incredible amount of luck. The best Elite Trainer box I've ever opened in my life, followed by a first edition Team Rocket pack where we pulled some serious fire as well. So yeah, please like the video if you did enjoy it. Please subscribe if you're enjoying the content in general, and please feel free, as I've said many times before, comment with any ideas for future videos, suggestions, things that you're enjoying, things that you're not enjoying. I'll show you this one more time before I let you go. And yeah, we'll leave it there, guys. So take care, and I'll see you in the next video.